Hello everyone. So today I will be presenting my part for the assignment 2 network requirement and analysis and design. And my part was to create a questionnaire. So the questionnaire is one of the important parts. So it enables us to know more about what we have to make. We and ask the client a list of questions, and it's going to be could be an interview or questionnaire, and then we ask the questions, and by the answers given to us, we determine what we have to do for the network design action. So the questionnaire I've made is consists of 6 questions. I'm gonna read out the question and I'm gonna try to explain what is the main aim of the questions. So what are the primary software applications your department uses daily, which is kind of important. We need to know what kind of software they're aiming to use. Do any applications require high bandwidth, low latency, or have specific network performance needs? So it is important what type of business or company it is, and whether speed, high bandwidth is crucial to them or not. Could be a banking company or and some sorts of like a betting company, and they require a constant rate of a constant bandwidth and connection. So it's really important to consider that. Is that question is remote or mobile access to application necessary for your department? Some departments would like to access their files and data remotely. Is it possible in our network design? What are your data storage and sharing requirements? Do you need features like shared drives, large file transfers, or collaborative platforms? So it depends what kind of software they're using again. Are they using cloud to share the information? Do they need big data centers to store the data and related stuff? Are there any applications that require special security measures or compliance? What security measures they want in place? It's really important that security measures are considered while making network design. And what are the peak user times for your application? And do you experience any performance issues during these times? So what will really be the peak performance, peak usage of that network, and how we can tackle that. So once we've made the questionnaire, it is very important that we kind of assume some answers, and also once we've recorded their answers, we can then move on to the network design phase.
Hi, I'm Oshadi. So I'm going to talk about the purpose and the category of the questions. The questions were given by Rohab. So the purpose of the first question is to gain more information about the software applications which are used by the employees of each department. And the category of the first question is application requirements because it's mainly focused on the software applications. Talking about the second question, the purpose of the second question is to identify the applications that need network performances like high bandwidth. And the category of the second question is application requirements because it's mainly focused on understanding the technical performance of the applications. And talking about the third question, the purpose of the third question is to find whether the employees need access to the company's network. And the category is user requirements. Talking about the fourth question, the purpose of the fourth question is to understand this data storage requirements of each department and whether they need shared drives, large files or transfer files, and collaborative tools like Microsoft Teams. And the category for the fourth question is application requirements because it's mainly focused on managing data of both local and cloud storage. Talking about the fifth, the purpose of the fifth question is to find out whether any department has the ability to handle sensitive data which requires any protocols. And the category is application requirements because it's mainly focused on security, which is managed by the IT team to protect the sensitive data. Talking about the fifth question, the purpose of the fifth question is to optimize network and traffic during the peak periods. So the category is user and application requirements because it's mainly focused on how users would interact with the network and the performances. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yeasin. Now I'm going to describe the network design of this network. This network design consists of two main offices connected via WAN link between their core routers. Each office has a dedicated router connected to a switch that handles the internal traffic distribution across different departments, including sales, marketing, finance, management, and support. Ethernet link connected to the department-specific PCs to the switches, while high-speed gigabit Ethernet link connected to the connect routers to the switches for inter-office communication. Each office includes a local server to manage internal resources, improving speed, reducing reliance on WAN. The network is likely segmented by department using VLAN for enhanced security and traffic management, allowing for better isolation and performance. This hierarchical design ensures scalability, efficiency, reduced sharing, and clear department separation. Now I'm going to describe the network justification. This network justification is justified by hierarchical structure, which ensures scalability, performance, and easier management. Departmental segment enhance security, isolates traffic, while fast Ethernet links to PC are the cost effective. And Gigabit Ethernet ensures high-speed core connections. Local server in each office improves performance and reduces WAN dependency, while the WAN link enables seamless inter-office communication. VLAN likely to segment traffic for better security and efficiency.
Hello everyone, my name is Vladmir and I would like to show our topology for assignment 2 BN321. For the requirements, we have two branches, one in Melbourne, one in Brisbane. In Melbourne, we have 45 hosts available, and in Brisbane, we have 60 hosts available. For the network IP addresses, we have a subnet mask of 14 hosts. As you can see here, for Melbourne, we have these ranges, and for Brisbane, we have these ranges of IP addresses. So we use DHCP for the in the router settings. If you go to the router, we can see here its config file. So we use DHCP for different departments. Also some encapsulation, and this one is IP routes. These IP routes are necessary for connecting two departments, two branches with each other. We're also using a multi-layer switch here. Multi-layer switch is just an easier way to connect multiple network devices. It's easy to control. It provides access to every VLAN here, so we can directly manage every VLAN from this one particular switch. Also, let's try to ping from one PC in Melbourne to another PC in Brisbane. So for example, let's see IP address for this one. It's 172.16.682. So let's go to the Melbourne branch, open this PC, go to the command terminal. Let's try to ping 16.682. It's request timeout, but then reply is working fine. We can try again just to make sure it's everything working. Yes, everything works fine. What else we can see here? This one is a basic topology. Also, we have server as well for each department. So one server can act as a backup server, for example. So if something is wrong with this one, we have another one in Brisbane. So yeah, I think that's it.
Now I'm going to talk about the devices and its technical aspects. So the first device we're going to talk about is Cisco 1941 series integrated service router. So this router is provide both security and high-speed internet access. It supports advanced features like VPN and firewall. Cisco Catalyst 296024TT switch. So this switch provides reliable connection and is ideal for small and medium-sized networks. 24 fast Ethernet ports and advanced security features. It ensures the security and effective communication between the devices. So third device is Cisco UCSB series blade server. So this server is designed for high performance data centers, offering flexibility and scalability for various applications. And the fourth device I'm going to talk about is PCs. One provide space saving solution with its all-in-one design. And next we're going to talk about the cables that we use. So we use Ethernet Cat6 cable and fiber optic cable. So Cat6 is used for shorter and high-speed connection within the office, and the fiber optic cable gonna handle the largest data transfer over the long distance. And the final device is multi-layer switch, which is Cisco 356024PS multi-layer switch. So this multi-layer switch gonna connect the layer 2 and layer 3 routing capabilities. And it supports power over Ethernet, making it ideal for environments that require both switching and routing within a single device.